What's up guys, in today's video I will show you the best charging cable under $7. Here's the cable itself called BWMC4. It has a nickel-plated reversible connector heads, very tough braid and a magic tab strap. It supports fast charging, high data transfer speed up to 480 Mbps. How durable is this cable? We found some tough tests on YouTube. Why don't we just do the same experiment and just check it out? Now we are gonna test if this cable is strong enough to tow this 1.3 tons Corolla. Okay, there we go.
OK 了吧？Alright, so does it still work? Let's see. Yes, the BlitzWolf charger. And, yeah, it works.
What if we use just one line?
oh, see. Seems like one line is not strong enough.
Inside the cable, we can see the tight copper meshes, braid, and the aluminum foil shell here to protect the cable itself. To sum up, I would say the quality of this cable is good enough to cope with your daily use. It's not a big deal if we drag it too strongly by accident. In addition, you can purchase it now.
Also, we have different types for different systems.
Links down below in the description. That's all for today's video. Peace.